Evening to all. Before going to start our topic, I need to wish you all that happy Deepavali, and this Deepavali may brings a lot of happiness and prosperity in your life. So today's our topic is median. So just recap yesterday's class, that is measures of central tendency. First most type is mean, and the formulas to calculate mean. And this is median, second most type of measures of central tendency, which is nothing but a positional average. So here median is the middlemost value of the data set. Median is a positional average which is present exactly in the center of series as distribution. So the formulas to calculate the median is when the data is grouped, when the data is ungrouped, the median will be n plus 1 divided by tooth value. When the data is grouped, discrete, median is simple like n plus 1 divided by tooth value. But for grouped continuous data, we have formula that is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into the width of median class. So here the characteristics L indicate the lower limit of the median class, CF indicates the cumulative frequency just previous of the median class, and F frequency of the median class, H is the width of the median class. So here is our example, that is data which they have given us 70, 74, 73, 75, 76, 78, 74, 76, 72 and 74. So this data we have to take it or we have to arrange this data in ascending or descending order, such that it will be like 70, 72, 73, 74, 74, 74, 75, 76, 76 and 78. So after we need to take the formula that is for median of ungrouped data is n plus 1 divided by tooth value. So here n is nothing but the number of values we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 values. So 10 plus 1 divided by tooth value. It means 11 by 2. So which is nothing but 5.5th value. So 5.5th value means here we'll get a fifth and sixth. So 50 is fifth and sixth is both 74 plus 74. So here 74 divided by 2, which is nothing but 74. So our median for ungrouped data is 74. So we'll move on towards the second problem, which is median for grouped discrete data. So they have given us a data like X, they have given numericals like 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So for F frequency they have given 2, 3, 5, 3 and 2 again. So we have to calculate F into X, that is frequency into they have given data. So after calculating we'll get 20, 55, 100, 75 and 60. So this we need to take the cumulative frequency. How we need to calculate the cumulative frequency? Like this, it is very easy to calculate. We need to take frequency, the first number of frequencies 2, and we have to add first and second frequency, that is 2 plus 3, which is 5. 3 this will be 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13, and plus 2 is 15. So our cumulative frequency total will be 15, and our capital N total number of frequencies will be 15. So next we'll move on towards the formula. Median for ungrouped discrete data is capital N plus 1 divided by tooth value. So here N will be 15 plus 1 divided by 2, means which is 16 by 2, which is nothing but 8th value. So here we don't have 8th value, but we need to search 8th corresponding value. 8th corresponding value in the cumulative frequency. Here is 8th corresponding value will be like 10. We need to search exactly 8. If 8 is not there, means like nearest value, which means which is greater than 8, that is 10. So the 10th corresponding value in X will be 20. So this is our median. Median is middlemost value, and for grouped discrete data median will be 20. So next we are going to discuss problem 3, which is nothing but median for grouped continuous data. The data we have given here is CI, which is nothing but class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. So frequency they have given as 2, 3, 5, 10, 5 and 5. The X we know that how to calculate X. In last class we discussed that the middle value of CI, which is class interval. So that is 0 to 10, the middle value will be 5, next 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then we have to find out the CF. Just now we got to know that the CF, how to calculate CF, which is nothing but adding frequencies. The first frequency will be 2, adding next first and second frequency, that is 5, next frequency 10, 20, 25, 30. So our N will be, number of frequencies will be 30. So after that we have to multiply F into X. F into X, after multiplication we will get the value like 10, 45, 25, 350, 225, 275. So after that we have to do the f of x. We need mean, means we need to calculate total, and we have to divide this, we'll get the mean value. But we are doing median, so we have median formula. For median we have formula that is median for grouped continuous data, that is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into H. So where L is lower limit of the data. Before going to know the lower limit, we need to know that n by 2 or n plus 1 by 2. So we'll get 30 by 2 means 15. So 15 is our corresponding value. We need to find out the 15th value. 15 in the CF, we don't have 15 plus more than 15, we'll get around 20. So here is our we need to calculate the value by using this one row. So in this row, the lower limit here is higher limit in class interval. This is lower limit and this is higher limit. So our lower limit will be 30, and n by 2 value we know that is again 15. Cumulative frequency of the just the previous to the class we have to take. Here is 20. Just previous class means the cumulative frequency will be 10, and frequency of the class means we have frequency of 10. Width means minus, or we have to deduct 40 or minus 30. So the class interval difference will get the width H, which is nothing but 10 again. How means 40 minus 30, 50 minus 40, whatever you will do, we'll get the value of 30. For this data only. If you got any other data means we'll get a different H. So we have to calculate by using this data. 30 plus n by 2 means 30 by 2 minus cumulative frequency 10 divided by 10, multiplication again into 10. So 30 plus 15 minus 10 divided by 10 into 10. So 30 plus 5 by 10 into 10. 10, 10 get cancelled. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. So our median of good to continuous data will be 35. So today we learned that median in three forms, that is for group data, for ungroup data, for group to discrete and group continuous data, how to calculate the median. So tomorrow for the class we'll learn that mode, and for again after that we'll do a last one calculation which includes both mean, median and the mode. So here we'll end up our class. So if you need any extra information or any doubt, just comment it, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.